Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 23, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 7.52. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this rise. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 34% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 14% to 51%. When considering the longer term, our analysis for the next 12 months points to a projected change of around 25%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary between negative 12.5% to 91% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $305.09 and $668.33. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline: on Monday, Tesla stock price gained an impressive 8.23%. The Tesla stock price gained 8.23% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, rising from $322.16 to $348.68. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the upcoming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 9.15%, with a low of $327.50 and a high of $357.47. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 18.14% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has risen on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 78 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 186 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $64.88 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $488.54, while the lowest price was $182. Currently, the price is 28.63%, or $139.86, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla has officially launched its highly anticipated Robotaxi service in Austin, Texas. This significant development has generated considerable excitement in the market. Analysts have observed that the launch included surprising elements that exceeded expectations, potentially boosting investor confidence. Following this announcement, Tesla's stock surged by 8%, which translated to a $15 billion increase in Elon Musk's net worth. However, the debut has not been without controversy. Early reports indicate that the self-driving taxis violated traffic laws, with videos showing instances of illegal maneuvers and excessive speeds. This has prompted the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration to seek clarification regarding these incidents. Additionally, Tesla is facing a lawsuit over a tragic accident involving a Model S that resulted in the deaths of 3 individuals, raising further scrutiny over the safety of its automated systems. In the short term, the movement of the stock price reflects a blend of optimism about the Robotaxi service and concerns regarding its safety and regulatory compliance. In the long term, the successful scaling of this service could significantly shape Tesla's market presence. However, ongoing legal and safety challenges could dampen growth prospects, leaving an uncertain landscape ahead. Investors will be closely monitoring how Tesla addresses these issues and capitalizes on this emerging market segment. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned TSLA a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Piper Sandler assigned TSLA an overweight rating with a downgrade recommendation. Also on that day, Wedbush rated TSLA as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, Guggenheim assigned TSLA a sell rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, Piper Sandler rated TSLA as overweight with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Tesla stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $326.11 and $324.65. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 5, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 22.47%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been noted, and these may impact short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 92 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. A long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 19 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.70 and $282.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $284.70. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $282.76 and $272.20. This stock has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $29.97 between its high and low, which is 9.15%. Over the last week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 4.76%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July in the year 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 430 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $349.98. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at $284.70. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is to sell, Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June 2025, Zhu Xiaotong made an insider purchase of 15,000 shares of non-qualified stock options, which grants the right to buy. On the same day, Zhu Xiaotong also purchased another 15,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 12th of June 2025, Zhu Xiaotong conducted yet another insider purchase of 15,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th of June 2025, Taneja Vaibhav made an insider purchase of 6,538 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Taneja Vaibhav also purchased 6,538 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of 0.000. In total, insiders have purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $334.87, representing a decrease of 3.96%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 11 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla exhibits several positive indicators and is currently within a robust upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Thus, we believe it represents a favorable investment at these levels, with expectations for further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been updated since the previous evaluation, changing our rating from a sell to a strong buy candidate. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on the upcoming Tuesday, June 24th, we anticipate Tesla will open lower by $4.13, beginning trading at $344.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from everyone here at StockInvest.